Well, Laura, you guys took out a pretty good team with a good shooter, good size inside. I just thought your intensity I thought was pretty good tonight. How did you feel about the way you guys played?
I thought the first half we played pretty well. We had good pace. I mean, we tried to get it up and down, and I think they got maybe a little worn down from that. The second half, we knew that they were going to come out, and third quarters have been our nemesis the entire year. And once again, it was a little bit, but we weathered it, and I thought we pulled through in the end. So.
I was talking to Mackenzie. It looked like you've got more girls a little bit more active right now than I saw at the Monroe game. It seemed like there was a lot of intensity by some of the other gals, and that maybe you're developing some depth. Maybe you learned a lot from that loss.
Yeah, we are much more of a complete team. We have different nights. Different people can step up. Now, obviously, consistently, Reese is going to be in there. She didn't, she had a hard night being in foul trouble tonight, but she's had the flu since Christmas Eve. But Molly stepping up, Tansel stepping up, Kelm stepping up. So, and Barney and Elfman can do it too. So it's been nice. So hopefully we'll develop some depth as the season goes on.
You got to play in the big court here. You got the game done in a hurry. Now, Mackenzie says she's going to stay and watch the Edgewood boys before she goes to watch the Badgers. What are you going to do?
I'm going to watch the boys, of course, for a little bit, and then I have some dinner plans. So,
okay.
But I'll watch as much as they watched of our game, at least. So.
All right.
With a bad excuse.
That's right. That's right.
Well, I'll tell you the score.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot.